लिए चलते हैं इस्लामाबाद, जहां वफाकी वज़ीर ख़ज़ाना मोहम्मद औरंगज़ेब तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे हैं।
Some of those groups is going to be very important, and you know it's going to be listened to. The fact that the Prime Minister made a decision on the spot, Zulkarnain साहब आप उसको लीड कर रहे थे in terms of आपकी तरफ से तो जो प्रपोजल आया था वो ये आया था कि एक्सपोर्ट सरचार्ज को सस्पेंड कर दें, and the Prime Minister said we are going to abolish it, and also in terms of moving the EDF governance, not only in terms of the funds which are there but how we're going to take it forward, and the fact that he said is going to be not a minister but a person from the private sector who is going to oversee all of this. So I would suggest that from the government's perspective, we took, and the Prime Minister, notwithstanding what your recommendations were, which were very good recommendations, and maybe the thought process was ko isko thoda sa aahista leke chale, thoda sa phase-in approach leke chale, but the fact that the Prime Minister made those very bold decisions and the right ones, I think is very good. Having been associated with this, with the council myself, I know there are a number of you, if not many of you, whom I call serial advisors, who have been advising the governments and administrations year after year and decades after decades. और वो सबसे अच्छी बात ये है कि जो पाकिस्तान बिजनेस काउंसिल से जो एडवाइस आती है और हमेशा आती रही है is not only about what and why, because the policy prescriptions when I was in the private sector and now here in my public service capacity as well, कि what and why तो बहुत देर से हमें पता है और कुछ और हमें पता चलता जा रहा है. It's always the how part of it and the who part of it, and that's where all of you, ladies and gentlemen, come in a big way through your research organization as well. तो आज जब मैं ये आपका प्रोग्राम देख रहा था on my way here, so I was thinking through कि ये कौन सा टॉपिक है जो कवर नहीं हुआ हुआ, जिसके बारे में मुझे बात करनी चाहिए during your very precious luncheon time, and I had to think about it, where I don't go into duplication and don't जो आपका बड़ा precious वक्त आप सब यहाँ practitioners, senior leaders who are here from the various companies कि उनका वक्त का ज़िया ना हो. So I would just want to focus on 2-3 things, and then if Dr. Zilaf, if you would allow, we would get into some Q&A, because I think that would be a good way to get into a bit of a dialogue. So starting at the global level, and I've said it, असफर आप वहाँ थे, आपकी जो समिट थी वहाँ मैंने ये बात की थी कि and I was just talking to the president of World Economic Forum, Boge, before I came here, in terms of what we can look forward to in Davos in 26 in January. And when I was there in January, the reality is there was a lot of doom and gloom. And I think where we are at end November, the world appears to be in a better place than where we thought it would be as the world started drifting from a rule-based order. Or usme, having been in DC and in Riyadh in the last few weeks, I think there are a number of points which are being made why this has transpired. In the first instance, there's been no mutual disruption. तो जो tariffs की discussion थी कि वहाँ tit for tat होगा, etc., वो नहीं हुआ, और उसका जो impact है वो भी उतना नहीं हुआ. That doesn't mean कि 26 में ये नहीं होगा, but at this point in time it didn't translate into what we thought where it would be at this point in time. The other thing when it comes to emerging markets, and I think that's where it becomes very important for Pakistan as well. In terms of number of these markets continue to be on structural reform agenda path. And the last thing I would say is the role of the private sector. And that's where all of you play such an important role in terms of taking discussions forward here in Pakistan. लेकिन ये सिर्फ पाकिस्तान की बात नहीं है, मैं एक इमर्जिंग मार्केट्स की डिस्कशन कर रहा हूँ कि जहाँ प्राइवेट सेक्टर ने जो रोल प्ले किया उसकी वजह से the downsides which we thought would materialize beginning of the year and it didn't come in. Now having said that, obviously everything is not hunky-dory. The uncertainty is there in terms of geopolitical tensions, trade fragmentation, supply chain readjustments. I wouldn't call supply chain disruptions, but readjustments. And therefore, every country, including Pakistan, we need to ensure that we build fiscal and external buffers to deal with exogenous shocks. And all of you are well aware of what's happening on our borders and some of the internal जो खलफशार इस वक्त है, तो इसलिए as a federal government, as Ministry of Finance, it's important for us to ensure those buffers are there. Now, coming to Pakistan, we have consolidated gains on macro stability front. मुझे बताया गया कि आज सुबह you were dealing with actually 4 governors. Dr. Ishaq साहब यहाँ तशरीफ रखते हैं और and then of course the governor of the state bank was with you as well, and he talked about the economy and where we are in terms of macro stability. So I'm not going to go there because I'm sure he must have addressed it in a very big way in terms of of course Dr. Sahab, my apologies. आप भी यहाँ हैं, आपका तो दोनों रोल्स हैं, गवर्नर भी है, मिनिस्टर ऑफ फाइनेंस भी हैं, तो डॉक्टर शमशाद को I just want to acknowledge that as well. Now, where we are at this point in time, because ये मैं पहले भी बात करता रहा हूँ कि स्टेबलाइजेशन आती है, फिर हमारा एक गोल्ड रश आता है और गोल्ड रश में हम सब बह जाते हैं कि ये ग्रोथ कहाँ है और ग्रोथ क्यों नहीं हो रही है, और उसके बाद आज एम्प्लॉयमेंट डेटा भी है. तो अब ये सारी जो डिस्कशंस हैं इसको हमने किसी एक तरीके से आगे लेकर जाना है और उस गोल्ड रश में नहीं जाना है, बिकॉज इवन इन आवर नेबरली कंट्री विच आर growing at high single digit is still jobless growth. So you have to figure it out, how do we make it comprehensive as we take it forward in the context of services, in terms of AI, in terms of technology, and how this discussion has to go forward. But having said that, it's good to see some green shoots. जो इस वक्त डेटा मेरे सामने है कि for the first 4 months cement growing year on year at 16%, fertilizer 9%, petroleum 4%, automobiles 31%, mobile phones at 26%, LSM at about 4% year on year. और उसमें मैं आता हूँ कि थोड़ी सी जो चीज़ें हमें we have to be careful as we move forward, because I don't think we can call it a trend yet. But the underlying variables and some of the building blocks are indeed positive. यहाँ भी यूसुफ हुसैन साहब मुझे मिले थे, तो उनका ही चेंबर का, आई थिंक वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट कि गवर्नमेंट ने तो जो कहना है वो कहती रहेगी, लेकिन जो डेटा हमारे सामने आ रहा है और जो सर्वेस हमारे सामने आ रहे हैं, आई थिंक दोज आर गोइंग टू बी क्वाइट इम्पोर्टेंट. तो ये ओवरसीज चेंबर, यूसुफ साहब आप कहीं बैठे हैं, तो आपका ही ये सर्वे है which you published about a couple of weeks back, that with current economic stabilization, 73% of OICCI members now recommend Pakistan as a viable FDI destination compared to 61% 2 years earlier. This coming from overseas chamber, not from the government. And then the other discussion which has been there, and I do appreciate that, और वो important भी है, about MNCs and where the multinational corporations here are. Of course, overseas chamber में उसकी बहुत representation है, Pakistan Business Council में उसकी बहुत representation है, और उसमें of course, I mean, all having worked for MNCs and global organizations for most of my career, of course, global organizations make their participation choices, whether it's client, whether it's product, whether it's geographies, for their own ROIs and reasons and ROEs. दूसरा एक थोड़ा सा shift है from west to east and Middle East, तो उसमें whether it's Aramco, Wafi, Gunvor, Turkish Petroleum very recently, in terms of mining and minerals, Barrick Gold, Strategic Metals, Nova Minerals, in terms of the EVs, BYD, Chery, others coming in, and of course, before that, very recognized players here, construction infrastructure में Abu Dhabi Ports, और Google के फोरम में तो मैं खुद था आज से 3 हफ्ते पहले, when Google senior management came here to not only announcing opening up of their office here, but also announcing that Pakistan is going to be, inshallah, a technical and export hub for Google. So I think these are data points. I'm not saying कि इसके basis पे कोई again trend की बात हो सकती है, लेकिन ये data points हैं which are also important to acknowledge as we go forward. Now I do want to spend, as you move from your appetizers into the luncheon, some of the aspects around structural reforms, because उसमें बहुत बात होती है कि जी ये stabilization आ गई है, इसमें growth होगी नहीं होगी, and a lot of policy prescriptions talk about the structural reforms which have been elusive in Pakistan, and that is correct. But आज से कुछ 3-4 हफ्ते पहले, along with my honorable cabinet colleagues, we did a 2-hour press conference in front of the media to present not the design part of the structural reforms, but how it's being operationalized. And we took the media questions. अभी हमारे कुछ दोस्त हैं, अगर कोई कहे मैं ना मानूं तो उसका कुछ नहीं हो सकता. But having said that, we try to present the way Pakistan Business Council presents the fact base, because I think that's very critical. Now starting with taxation, चूँकि आपने कल दोपहर को चेयरमैन FBR को यहाँ मदऊ किया हुआ है, so I don't want to steal his thunder in terms of what he's going to present, and I'm very grateful कि आपने उनको मौका भी दिया, because he's already presented to Pakistan Business Council, but tomorrow he's going to go into much more detail. And I spent about 2 hours yesterday in terms of the whole digitalization and how we are going to, because देखिए ये जो सारी transformation हो रही है, this is people, process, technology, because that's how you make in your own organizations. Any transformation that you embark on is people, process, technology. Not a single thing can come in and say कि this is going to be the magic wand which is going to take it forward. तो कल जो हमने 2 घंटे लगाए हैं वो इस चीज़ पे लगाए हैं कि हम ये जितना रिफॉर्म हुआ है, और हमें अक्टूबर में इनवाइट किया गया by the World Bank Group, and we were in Washington DC where we presented the reform agenda of FBR, और उसमें there were various countries, emerging markets, and the Egyptian finance minister specifically talked to me and walked up to me and said कि या मैं अपनी टीम यहाँ भेजूँगा या आप अपनी टीम कायरो भेज दें. I mean, this is matter of record. This is not something which I'm saying, because it's part of the thing which is minuted कि इस किस्म की transformation 12 से 14 से 18 महीने में ये नहीं हुई है. तो hopefully he can talk to you tomorrow. अब उसमें फॉर्मल सेक्टर पे कितना बोझ पड़ा है, उसकी वजह से इनफॉर्मल सेक्टर पे क्या हुआ है, सैलरी क्लास पे कितना बोझ पड़ा है और उसकी वजह से हमें उसको कैसे नॉर्मलाइज करना है. दीज आर ऑल थिंग्स विच आर इम्पोर्टेंट फैक्टर्स एज वी गो फॉरवर्ड. लेकिन कल होपफुली ही कैन टेल यू हाउ वी आर ट्राइंग टू इंस्टीट्यूशनलाइज इट, बिकॉज द लेवल ऑफ स्केप्टिसिज्म इज ह्यूज, और राइटली सो, क्योंकि ये कोई अब से तो बात नहीं हो रही है कि टैक्स को कैसे ट्रांसफॉर्म किया जाए और कैसे चोरी चिकारी को बंद किया जाए, कैसे करप्शन को बंद किया जाए, बिकॉज दीज आर ऑल यूफेमिज्म्स अराउंड लीकेजेस. तो मैं हमेशा ये बात कहता हूँ और आपसे भी यही बात कहूँगा कि आप भी थोड़ा सा हौसला करें और हम भी थोड़ा सा हौसला करेंगे, क्योंकि जहाँ कोई लेने वाला होता है वहाँ कोई देने वाला भी होता है. तो मेरी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि यू आर ऑल्सो गोइंग टू बिकम ए वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ दैट ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन एज वी गो फॉरवर्ड. तो अब उसमें वो तो कल आपसे डिटेल बात करेंगे, बिकॉज फ्रॉम माई परस्पेक्टिव द इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज हाउ वी मेक इट इरिवर्सिबल एंड हाउ वी इंस्टीट्यूशनलाइज इट. द सेकेंड थिंग इज, जो मैंने आपसे पहले भी जिक्र किया था, कि द पॉलिसी पार्ट ऑफ इट, विच मीन्स कि बजट क्या बनाना है, कौन से टैक्सेस इम्पोज करने हैं, कौन से टैक्सेस रिमूव करने हैं, कौन से टैक्सेस रैशनलाइज करने हैं, इज नॉट पार्ट ऑफ द FBR डोमेन एनी मोर. ये डॉक्टर शमशाद आपके वक्त में ये बातचीत शुरू हुई जब आप केयर टेकर थी, फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर. आई रिमेन वेरी ग्रेटफुल फॉर योर थॉट प्रोसेस एंड योर लीडरशिप. जब आपने ये शुरू किया, उसको हम कुछ थोड़ा सा पाया तकमील की तरफ पहुंचाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. So the tax policy office has now moved into the finance division. Dr. Najeeb है कहीं? जी, Dr. Najeeb तशरीफ रखिए. So he is now heading up the tax policy office. We are operationalizing the tax policy office. जो administration हमने अभी लानी थी, हम ले आए हैं. And we have in the process of forming an advisory council. The inaugural session of that advisory council, which is from the private sector, primarily at this point in time from academicians and practitioners, will be held tomorrow afternoon. And as we go forward, we are going to bring business representation into the tax policy office at the advisory level. तो इस वक्त एहसान मलिक साहब हैं इधर? नहीं है. तो एहसान मलिक will be on that advisory council, and he is आपके former CEO हैं. तो in the first instance हम उनको लेकर आए हैं, and then we are taking it forward as well. यहाँ academicians यहाँ कुछ बैठे हैं, we are going to join that advisory council tomorrow. मकसद इस को टैक्स पॉलिसी ऑफिस को, और मैं अगेन डॉक्टर साहब आपका मैं शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहता हूँ कि ये जो हम डिस्कशन होती है कि एवरी टाइम when we make the budget and all of you are you essentially, not all of you but सारी जो forums आते हैं, you camp yourself here for April May ताकि बजट की डिस्कशन हो सके. एंड वो हम दरबार लगा कर बैठ जाते हैं, कुछ आपकी सुनते हैं, कुछ बिल्कुल सुनते ही नहीं हैं, और फिर हम अपना बजट बना देते हैं. तो मकसद ये है कि ये दिस होल डिस्कशन नाउ बी शुड बी लेड बाय इकोनॉमिक वैल्यू कंसिडरेशन, नॉट how you make the math work. मैंने पहले भी बात की है, we will still have to make the math work. Don't take me wrong, because we still have to get the country moving and get the country's finances in the right place. लेकिन अब ये इनके पास वो day to day काम नहीं है, इनका और कोई काम नहीं है other than stakeholder engagement, and stakeholder engagement not you coming to Islamabad but Islamabad going to various chambers. और मैंने अभी कराची चेंबर में था मैं, और ये डॉक्टर जी मेरे साथ थे, और हम आपके पास भी आएंगे. लेकिन ये अब वो प्रोसेस ख़त्म हो जाएगा कि मई जून में ये इंटरेक्शन होगी, कांस्टेंट इंटरेक्शन होगी, कांस्टेंट इंटरेक्शंस होगी with the policy making bodies, with the associations, with the chambers, with sector analytics, और हम इनको पूरा एनालिटिकल सपोर्ट लेकर देंगे. और अभी भी जो कुछ ग्रुप्स बनाए गए हैं बाय द प्राइम मिनिस्टर, उसमें टैक्सेशन भी है, उसमें एनर्जी है, आपकी तरफ से भी आएगा. बट दिस इज गोइंग टू बी ए 24/7 365-day interaction between the policy making and not budget making. Budget is a different discussion. Policy making on the tax side and where we need to take this country forward. Energy side पे I appreciate कि शायद अली परवेज साहब भी यहाँ होंगे आपके साथ और जो अभी discussions लगारी साहब कर चुके हैं in terms of changing the governance, circular debt को नीचे लाने में कुछ उन्होंने अभी packages announce किए हैं तो reality is कि we forget where we were and ये discussion आती है कि इसको do more and I think it's absolutely right. Competitive tax base and competitive energy. This is how the industry is going to move forward. So I think a lot has been done, but a lot more needs to take place. And we do look forward to the recommendations from the private sector to the Prime Minister on this.
वफाकी वज़ीर ख़ज़ाना मोहम्मद औरंगज़ेब इस्लामाबाद में तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे थे।
अभी सब्सक्राइब करें ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।